So that was basically how I meal prep, and I'm gonna show you how they look like at the end. Say hi. And I have a bunch of things that is ready, that is sufficient for I think 2 weeks or more. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it motivates you to meal prep. He wants to eat the baby food. Cannot!
I'm not gonna eat the baby food.
And then what you want to do with it? Now, after I put everything up, I'm gonna meal prep. So let's get started. So many pork bones. After I rinse it, I'm gonna blanch it once this water has boiled. So I think I can divide it into 4 times. About 1.2 kilo worth of minced meat. So I divide it like this. And how I marinate them is by my mom's method. It's very easy, very simple. I usually use oyster sauce, wine sauce, black sauce, sesame oil, Sarawak white pepper. I used to ask my mom, do I need to rinse the minced meat before using, because I wash everything before I use them, except for minced meat. So my mom said no need, so I never wash. Cause I tried washing, all this meat will drain away. So this one I did not use oyster sauce, therefore I'm using Maggi chicken stock. My hand lengo already, so I'm not sure if this Maggi chicken stock will be enough or not. So usually I would prefer to marinate it to be less saltier, so that it is easier to add salt when I cook it and I find it's not salty enough. It's easier to do it that way instead of the other way around. My water is boiling and I'm gonna blanch my meat. So this is how I multitask now. I'm gonna transfer the bowl to here because I need this bowl to marinate my chicken wings. I don't know where's the camera. Meanwhile, I've been boiling another pot of soup because it's almost noon time and I want to make some soup for the kids. I'm making a simple ABC soup because I got corn, potato and carrot. I forgot tomato, but that's okay. I'm gonna put it inside the soup. That I have blanched, of it I will transfer some straight away into the soup. I let it cool down here. When it's cool down, then only I separate it into plastic bags. Pour another water for the second batch. So this breast meat, I'll give it a quick rinse and I'm just gonna simply cut it into half like this. And just keep it lah. I'm not gonna marinate it anyhow. So sometimes you want to make any soy sauce dish or papri ayam or whatsoever, you can use this. Very easy to use. The uncle cut it very nicely for me. I find it quite cheap also. Gonna keep this all separately. Marinate the chicken wing. I use my sister's recipe. Basically for all marinade marinating in a Chinese cooking is very simple. Oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and some sugar in this case. And I'll be adding some 5 spice powder this time, and I'll see how it turns out. It's my girl. Hi. That was basically how I meal prep, and I'm gonna show you how they look like at the end. It took me about 1 hour or so. However, I have a pot of soup that is boiling. Okay, this is the end of my meal prep, and these are all how it looks like. First of all, I have my chicken wings, 2 pack, 1 kilo, 500 gram each. These are the I marinated Oriental style, and this is with the Italian style. This I'm trying new style. And this is I added on turmeric powder to this.
I think I like this one.
You like this one? I know this is your favorite. And there are 4 packs of meatball. Every morning I can just take out 1 pack like this, and they are ready to go into the slow cooker already. I don't have to clean or scalp them anymore because I've already done that work prior to that. 5 packs of minced meat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever I need to use it, the night before I'll take out 1 pack, defrost it in the refrigerator, and they're all ready to go, and they're all marinated as well. Even if I do not do anything to it, I can just fry it and they will have taste also. It's perfect for omelette. It's perfect to cook it with potato, simple dish like that. And these are chicken breasts. Chicken breasts are very easy lah. They're so versatile, so I didn't do anything much. Let me show you. These are the pork belly which I marinated into char siu. I'm out of Ziploc bag, therefore I'm using this plastic bag. I need the plastic bag because so that it can soak up all the marinated and all the nice yummy sauce. See? So they can't be just flowing in the Tupperware, so I like to keep them in the plastic bag so that they are marinated even though they are freezed up in the freezer. So these are the pork belly. This is the half of the pork belly. I didn't know what to do with it. Just like the breast meat, they are very versatile. I can just cut them out and cook as it is. Put some cornstarch to soften them up. Just put some oyster sauce or some salt, and they are very easy to do. And what is this? This is the fish. Use up the kids' Tupperware. So the fish, I've cleaned it up, and they are just here. Whenever I need to use it, I take it out, defrost it, and then I can just fry them or use it as a fish porridge. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it motivates you to meal prep. I do not like to eat the same food, as in like, you know, those Westerners, they meal prep, they cook 1 dish and then they keep it for the rest of the week. I do not like that, so I rather meal prep the ingredient to use it, so every single day they are different. And even though I'm a working mom and I have a very busy life, and this is how I'm still able to home cook almost every single night. So I hope you do enjoy. Click like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.